We're gonna make chocolate and orange hazelnut cookies. So let's get started. I love hazelnuts. So I wanted to build a cookie around hazelnuts. And orange, hazelnut, and chocolate go great together. So we're gonna start with 2/3 of a cup of cake flour. I wanna give this a cakey texture, light, fluffy. And then we're gonna get in a whole cup of the hazelnut spread in there. Man, chocolate and hazelnut together, they work so well. Then we need an egg in there. Get that right in. A little bit of salt. You always want to put salt in your sweet stuff. Now it's time for the orange flavor. So we're gonna get some zest in there because zest always gives you the most flavor. That's where all the oils are in your citrus fruits. All right, then we just need a tablespoon of the juice. Let's cut this guy open. Oh, that's a pretty orange. Smells so good. I wanna make sure I don't get any seeds in here. There you go, that should be a tablespoon. Just get everything incorporated, get all that gooey chocolate hazelnut sauce together. Mix in the egg. Once all that flour gets incorporated, then we start to add the hazelnuts. We just want about half a cup. I'll just eyeball it. Just give them a rough chop. You just don't want any whole hazelnuts in there because they're a little big. These are gonna be little cookies, so all of these go in and you're just gonna fold the nuts into the batter. You don't need to get your mixer out again. So just fold them all together. That dough looks so rich and chocolatey, and it really smells chocolatey too. That's a nice, nice smell. Love it. That's gonna be nice and ooey and gooey and cakey. So all we gotta do is grab a smaller scooper because it's so rich and chocolatey. You just want little bite-sized cookies. One bite will do ya. These don't spread too much, so you can put them semi-close together. They just spread a little bit, but these are nice little bite-sized cookies. These are gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. Now we have chocolate hazelnut, these little cute little bites.
Yeah.
Chocolate hazelnut, and there's a little surprise ingredient in there, orange. So there's some zest in there, some orange juice.
I was gonna say whiskey. Or bourbon.
I forgot who I was talking to.
They remind me of those chocolate oranges. You know, the chocolate in the shape of an orange, only way more decadent and better. So good.
I use a little bit different flour in this. This is cake flour, so it's a little bit more, it gives a little bit more, it's a little bit chewy.